This year, Tiger Technology certifies Tiger Serve and Tiger Serve1 shared workflow controller, appliances with Accusys ExaSAN PCIe RAID storage and switch to provide ultra-high performance yet cost-effective shared storage solution. The whole user interface setup can be completed directly through Ethernet. As I said constantly throughout the webinar, hands-on and high performance are what make Accusys Storage and Tiger Technology's metadata controller a great combination for the users. And don't forget, the whole SAN environment should be under the same internet section. First, let's start up your browser on the PC and key in the default IP address 172.16.100.100 to gain access to the main page of Tiger Serve1. You probably found that our IP address is different from Tiger's. That's because we had already done all the setup and are using our internal network for the SAN. So let's move on directly to Manage to log into the management page. You'll see a window pop out demanding password. The default password is admin. Let's continue by checking if the HBA card and the license are well installed. Go to System and then About. You should see the license number and firmware number. Next, we need to create volumes. Go to System and then Maintenance to enter System Maintenance mode and press Continue. Under Storage Management, click on the disk that you want to create volumes with and then click Create Volume. But if you have multiple storage attached, you can simply select all the disks and strip them together. After a few seconds, you will see your new volume under the Storage Management section under the heading Volume, or as we do here, ExaSAN. Now, let's do a reboot. Go to System and under Maintenance, you will see System Reset. Select Full System Reboot. This might take a few minutes. Next, we're going to activate Volume to share status. This is the point where you turn DOS into a shareable SAN environment. Go back to Storage Management, then press Volume. A drop-down menu will appear, and then select Shared. And that's all you need to do for configuring. When that is done, the final step is to set up the Tiger Serve1 from the client side. For Windows, download client driver from Tiger Serve1's main page and follow the instructions to properly install it on your client's computers. Open up the client setting page by clicking Tiger icon on Tray Application. Add Tiger Serve1's IP address to add shared volume. Then you'll be able to see the shared volume on the client computer. For Mac, again, download client driver from Tiger Serve1's main page to complete the installation. Open client setting page by clicking Tiger icon on menu. Add Tiger Serve1's IP address, and then the shared volume should appear on the desktop. Following by the setup procedure for Linux. First, log in as root and download client driver from Tiger Serve1's main page. Check the kernel version, then install RPM. Make sure service has started. Add Tiger Serve1's IP address, then the shared volume will be mounted automatically. So the configuration will be complete and you can start enjoying the new SAN environment.